this is Winnie from Wayon Stone. This is our Wayon Stone countertop processing department. Covers an area of more than 70,000 square feet. There are 2 Donatoni 5-axis bridge cutting machines, 1 automatic edging machines, helping you to get accurate size countertops in short time. Come with me, I would like to show you more about our processing department.
We are now inside our processing department. We can offer different customized products such as kitchen countertops, vanity tops, capture size, staircase, windowsill, and so on. There are various processing types we can make, such as joint edge, pencil edge, straight edge, blue nose, and circle, square, rectangle, triangle, etc. It could be any type you like.
Thanks for watching today. I believe you will have a certain understanding of our countertop processing departments. If you have any interest or any inquiry for the products, please feel free to contact us anytime. See you next time. Bye-bye.